Worried about PYQ dissection? Every topper says do PYQ analysis. सब टॉपर्स यही बोलते हैं कि PYQ सॉल्व करना है, प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करना है तो PYQ की कमांड होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये पता नहीं है कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, कैसे करना है. So all solution is PYQ Dissection Batch. Hello all, I am Adv Dr Ajit D Kakde. Welcome to UPSC Made Simple. Actually, we have already started UPSC PYQ Dissection Batch. In this particular batch, we are going to give you topic-wise analysis of UPSC previous year questions. So it is not only about civil services questions. So you will get questions of CDS exam, you will get questions of CAPF exam, you will get questions of EPFO, even geoscientist and all other exams which are conducted by UPSC. So that you will get trained analysis and priority of topics which will be given in a topic-wise format, right? So this particular batch, how this idea came, students were demanding for this particular batch, as we have already started same kind of batch in state PCS exam. It's got a huge response. So those who are preparing for UPSC, they asked, sir, please do it for UPSC also. So we have started this. So what the speciality or uniqueness of this particular batch? So almost every institution, every class wala is giving you PYQ dissection. So very important and very uniqueness of this batch is you will get original PDF screenshots. So most of the times you will find questions that are typed by typist and all. So you will never get the feel of UPSC solving questions, right? So to get that feel of solving UPSC questions, you will get original PDF screenshots of both English as well as Hindi, so that जो हिंदी में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनको भी एक एडवांटेज रहेगा और जो इंग्लिश में कर रहे हैं उनको भी रहेगा. सो बेसिकली दिस इज अ टॉपिक वाइज एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट टू बी सब्जेक्ट वाइज. लाइक you will get economy questions in that basic concept part, money and banking, service sector, external sector, infrastructure. So different topics are divided and we are giving you all exams questions in a topic wise format, that to be in a chronological way. So you'll get first 2011 questions, then you will get lastly 2024 questions. So from 2011 till 2020, almost 15 years prelims questions you will get to solve, and that to original PDF questions, right? So this is the first thing. Second thing, this batch will be available on our Android app, that is Made Simple app, and as well as on MPC Made Simple website. So those who are used to solve on website, they can go with website. Those who are having Android or even iPhone users, you can solve it on your Play Store with this particular Android app Made Simple. So how to make maximum out of this particularly? Most of students who are studying away from their home, so you have waiting time for maybe snacks, waiting time for your lunch and dinner. So in that time you will get opportunity to solve questions, right? So you can utilize the time. Those who are traveling in metro, bus, train, so you will get that time utilization properly, right? So you can solve in that particular time. So what is the importance of particularly PYQs? So if you go through UPSC civil service any question paper, you'll get some glimpse of previous year questions. So you'll get exact idea which topics to focus, and particularly talking about in-depth analysis. So basically question is about money and banking topic of economy. So you'll get to know whether question is factual, whether question is dynamic, whether question is conceptual, whether question is application based, whether question is current linked question. So these kind of analysis you will get to know about this particular topic. So क्या करना है? So you are preparing economy or you are preparing environment for that example. So you are starting with your ecosystem or ecology. So पहले क्या करना है? जाके पूरे ecology के questions analysis करना है. Ecology पे क्या kind of questions they have asked. So उसका थोड़ा analysis करके फिर इकोलॉजी जो टॉपिक है आपने प्रिपेयर करना है. उसके बाद जो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन है, क्लास वाला है, इंस्टीट्यूशन वाला है, वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा वेयर आई स्टैंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इकोलॉजी और इकोसिस्टम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस प्रिपरेशन. तो आपको एक डायरेक्शन मिलेगा, आपको एक हिंट मिलेगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम क्वेश्चन क्या, मतलब यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट और एंटिसिपेट द क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम ऑल्सो बाय गोइंग थ्रू प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. सो इज द एग्जाम्पल इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. So without PYQ, it's very difficult to clear prelims. Even if you go with the classes, test series and all, so even mug of facts and all, it's very difficult to clear prelims without mastering this particular PYQ. And this course will make you the master of PYQ. I hope this. and questions will be available in both Hindi as well as English, and questions will be covered from 2011 to 24, and you'll get topic wise trend and analysis. So this is basically the idea. Fees is very small, like only 95 rupees. Why? I want to reach to the more people, those who are preparing from remote areas and all. They will get exactly what is required for prelims, right? How to purchase this particular bag? I have given links of website also and app also in description, also in comment box also. You can just click on the link, you can download our app, or you can visit this particular website. There will get UPSC PYQ dissection tile. You open this particular tile, you will get that batch. So by now you can make the payment transaction, you will get access to different subjects. So there are folders of different subjects, like right from economy, environment, geography, ancient history, medieval history, and then you can visit tests. Particularly this one topic will have that test, so you can solve that questions and get idea about that particular topic, what is the demand of UPSC for this particular topic, and this way you can make best use of it, right? So you can follow our channel, that is UPSC Made Simple Telegram channel. You can follow our YouTube channel also, UPSC Made Simple. If you have any doubt, any query, you can call in this particular number, and even you can message me on Telegram also. You can message on WhatsApp also. So I will be available. I will try to give reply as early as possible, right? So this is all about PYQ dissection. Make most out of it and be confident for this upcoming prelims. Thank you very much.